Pulmonary rehabilitation is covered in more depth in the decreased exercise tolerance section. However, it's important to bring it up here. The techniques that we have discussed during these sessions are also taught as part of pulmonary rehabilitation to the patients. So in practice while exercising, the patients may use blow as you go while using weights and pacing while walking or riding on the bike. Energy conservation is also an important educational topic. Pulmonary rehabilitation should be part of a long-term management plan for patients with COPD. It's been shown to reduce dyspnea, decrease healthcare costs, decrease hospital admissions, promote self-management, improve muscle strength and endurance, and ultimately increases exercise capacity and quality of life. Of all the physiotherapy interventions we've discussed, the strongest evidence exists for pulmonary rehabilitation. We're now going to look at the mechanical interventions that can be used to help to decrease